Welcome learners, welcome to the YouTube platform of Paathshaala. Today we are going to discuss a board problem from the H.C. Verma book. The question is given as a swimmer wishes to cross a 500 meter wide river flowing at 5 km ph. It means here I have drawn a river and the river is flowing at the speed of 5 km per hour. Suppose the direction of river is in this direction and the river is flowing at the speed of 5 km per hour. So this velocity vector indicates the velocity of river. Now a swimmer wishes to cross a 500 meter wide river, so he has to start from this point and he has to reach to this point. The width of the river is given as 500 meter and he heads in a direction making an angle theta. So making an angle theta with the flow of the river. So suppose this velocity vector indicates the velocity of swimmer with respect to water, and it is given in the question that he is making an angle theta with the flow of the river. So the velocity vector of the swimmer will be drawn like that. It is making an angle theta with the flow of the river. The flow of the river will be in this direction and the velocity of swimmer is given as 3 km per hour. Now if we break the velocity vector of the swimmer into x-axis and y-axis constituent, we will get this value. Suppose this 3 km per hour will be break into 3 cos theta and 3 sin theta. So the velocity of swimmer with respect to ground will be along x-axis, it will be 3 cos theta, means 3 cos theta. This part will break into 3 cos theta, and the river velocity of river will be also 5 km per hour in the x direction. So resultant velocity of the swimmer with respect to ground will be 3 cos theta plus 5 km per hour, and the velocity of the swimmer with respect to ground in y axis will be 3 sin theta. Means if we break this velocity vector here, we will get 3 sin theta. So the velocity of swimmer with respect to ground along y axis will be 3 sin theta km ph. Now we are discussing along y axis. So along y axis, what will be the distance? The distance will be 500 meter, and the velocity as we have derived from here is 3 sin theta km per hour. We will convert it into meter per minute. So we will convert it into meter per minute. So what will be the time taken to reach to the other source? So along y-axis we have found the distance and the velocity. So the time will be distance by velocity, that is 500 meter by 3 sin theta into 1000 by 60. It will be equals to 500 by 3 sin theta into 1000 to 60. So after cancelling all the values, we will get 10 by sin theta minute. So the time taken to reach from this point to this point, that is our question, is 10 by sin theta minute. And the next question is find the shortest possible time to cross the river. So for finding the shortest possible time, that is for time to be minimum, here first we have derived that time will be 10 by sin theta minute. Now if we want the time to be minimum, the sin theta part should be maximum. So sin theta part should be maximum, and if it is maximum, the theta will be 90 degree. So the time minimum will be 10 by sin 90, that is 10 minutes. So again I am discussing this part, that for the time to be minimum, the expression of time we have derived here is 10 by sin theta, and if we want this value to be minimum, the sin theta part should be maximum. So what will be the value of theta when sin theta is maximum? It should be 90 degree. So the time minimum should be 10 by sin 90, that is 10 minutes. So if you have understand this question, then please write in the comment, and if you have any problem, please join our Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description. Thank you.